What started off as one man's passion to build a reliable power equipment in 2003 that can save immense amount of energy compared to conventional sources is today's APS Welding. Yes, you can call us one of the pioneers of inverter-based welding machines in India. The man is Mr. Ravi Napa, a scientist and founder of APS Welding. He further established a 1,000 square feet manufacturing setup at Dahisar in 2004. Our first 500 ampere inverter arc welder was designed and developed. The company then went on to reach many more milestones, one of them being ISO 9001 certification in 2005. Thanks to all our team members back then who worked hard to understand and implement the standard procedures and requirements. Designing and innovation being our core competency was never left behind, and in came our 500 ampere TIG welder. Praj Industries Pune became our first customer for the same by purchasing 100 TIG welders. In 2007, APS Welding started OEM manufacturing for Larsen & Toubro Welding Division. Venturing into the field of gouging, APS launched its first 800 ampere 1000 ampere gouging power source in 2009. Whoa, isn't that a huge power source? As the production requirements grew, we scaled up the manufacturing setup area to 12,000 square feet at the Vasai plant in 2010. The MIG-MAG welding equipments were not much behind on the line. Their launch was in 2011, and in came the huge leap in 2014. A new manufacturing setup of 24,000 square feet, expandable to 40,000 square feet, was built and established. Yes, you heard it right, a 24,000 square feet building. In 2016, started off the digital era of APS Welding. Our first microprocessor-based digital TIG welder, Apollo 400, was designed, developed, and launched. All thanks to our new age designers and technology leaders. This was soon followed by many more digital equipment launch, including the multi-purpose CCCV welders in 2018. Today, we are further venturing into welding automation field. As part of this, we have launched our new age digital multi-purpose SAW, CAG, MIG, and arc welder equipment. APS Welding, your best welding partner.